Hey crafty crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. Hey everyone, so today I'm doing a unboxing, try on, and review of the company called Fashom. If you don't know what Fashom is, they are a new company similar to Stitch Fix, similar as in you go online, you fill out a style profile, and then a stylist will pick out some clothes for you, and you can decide which items you want, and they will send it to you in the mail for try on. You have, I think, 3 days to try them on and send back the things that you don't want. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to go ahead and read a little bit on here. What they sent me an email because they had asked me to do a review. It says, "This is how we are different from others. You pick what ships to you. After your stylist puts together your outfits, you can preview and select which items we send to you, free shipping and returns. The average price of our inventory is $35 and you get 25% off if you keep 3 or more pieces. There's no subscription fee and your first 2 styling sessions are free. After that, the styling fee is only $15, which is applied as a credit if you keep something from your order." I have not used Stitch Fix, but I have seen the prices, and from what I remember, just the $15 styling fee and the $35 average is a lot cheaper. So if you're looking for a better, more affordable option, then you might want to look into them. So I'm going to go ahead and just open my box. This is the box that came in. Says, "Hello, beautiful." This is just, I guess, my invoice. It has the price for if I keep everything. And then here's my package to ship back. Let's see what I got. So when they send you, when you fill out your profile, you have, I think, 2 to 4 days, and then for the stylist to send you back some items, and then you have, I think, 2 days to claim which ones you want. And I actually missed that window, so I didn't get to pick the ones that I wanted. And unfortunately, the one shirt that I did really like, I did not get sent to me, because if you miss your 2-day window, the stylist just picks 5 items for you, which is what I was sent. So we'll go ahead and look and see what I have, and then I'll try them on. So this is, let's see what it says. It says the brand is Crescent. It's like a gray, blue, and white striped hoodie. This is probably not something that I would wear, but I will try it on and see. And then this says, I think this is a cardigan. I remember seeing this one. It's like a bluish teal kind of see-through cardigan. I don't know if it has the prices on here. No. There's that, which I do like that, but I really don't wear a lot of cardigans. Maybe in the winter, but it's almost spring now, so I probably won't. And then these are like black, well, it says charcoal gray. This feels like a corduroy material, but it's not corduroy. I don't know what this is called. There's pants. We'll see how the sizes fit. The sizes that are on here are actually a size bigger than what I normally wear, but I'm not sure if they asked me my size or just like measurements, so it just depends, I guess, on how they run. It's like this green, kind of a V-neck. That's like a silky kind of material. This is probably not something that I would personally wear. But it's a pretty color. And then this, I don't know, like an olive color, I guess. It's the long sleeve, and it's got like a kind of a strappy detail in the front, which I do like the design of this shirt, but I don't like this color. I know in my style profile I put, well, you pick like what different styles that you wear, which I put pretty much casual, which this is casual dress. But I put that I want dark colors. I didn't want any brown, so they didn't give me any brown, but this is kind of in the brown family, so I personally don't wear, I just don't like brown. And the one shirt that I did like, I said I want black. I didn't get that one sent to me, but I did put I like brown or black, no browns. So they did do that. So I'm going to go ahead and start trying them on. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I have on the green top, which I do like this color. It's a pretty color. It's just not something I would typically wear. It's a little bit on the thin side, which isn't a problem, but it's just, I like things a little bit thicker just to cover my baby belly or my mommy belly. And the sleeves are just a little long for me, but it is a pretty color and it's a nice shirt. It seems like the quality is good. It's just not something I would probably wear. Maybe if the sleeves were a little shorter. I just like things a little bit more fitted. Okay, on to the next. Okay guys, so now I have on my blue cardigan, which I do like this cardigan. It's pretty. And I think it goes kind of good with this green shirt. So she's probably, I think maybe she was trying to make an outfit with this, with the cardigan and the shirt and the pants, or at least I would wear it that way. I think it would look good. But it's nice and long in the back. I don't know if you can tell. It goes down, it covers my bottom. So I do really like this cardigan. I like the color. I really like blue. Alright, so we'll go to the next one. Okay, so I have my hoodie on now. And I actually really like this a lot more than I thought I was going to. This looks a lot cuter on, at least I think. It fits really well. The material is nice. This is actually really cute. And it goes down really long on the bottom, which I like. I like long shirts. Well, I'm tall to begin with. And like I said, I want to hide my mommy belly. So I do like this. And I really like that she did blues and greens, even though I didn't request that. Because I do like blue and green. So on to the next. Okay. So now I have this like olive long sleeve shirt with this detail in the front, which I actually don't totally hate it on. Like I said, I'm just not a big fan of this color, and I feel like it fits kind of funny. It's a little, well, it's not bad. And by the way, I'm sorry about my lighting. My living room isn't very good lighting. I was trying to find a good place to have a lot of space to do all this. But this isn't that bad. I'm just not like a big fan of this color. It might look better like with this on. Okay, so I do like it a little bit better with this blue. And like I said, I do like the style of the shirt. It's just the color isn't really my thing. I really do like this cardigan. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try on the pants. Okay, so I don't know how well you can see these in the camera, but they do fit pretty well. Like I said, they're kind of like a velvety material. I don't know if you can see. And they are like skinny pants. The only thing, they go up pretty high. They are like all the way up here on my stomach. It's a little bit higher than I would normally wear. But they're not bad. I have a similar pair of black pants, so I probably won't get these. But the material feels really good. The quality feels good. So I will be back. I also wanted to mention that everyone who uses my referral code gets $10 applied towards their first purchase. Okay, so I've tried on all my clothes, and at this point I would say that I would recommend Fashom. I would recommend trying out Fashom. Everyone has been very nice that I've been in contact with so far. I do like the clothes that they sent. I think the quality is very good. I think these are all nice pieces, just they're not all necessarily my style and what I would wear, because I do dress pretty casual and I don't need to dress up for work or anything like that. But there are 2 items that I'm looking at, and I do really like the this hoodie, and I really like the it's all messed up here. This cardigan. So, but I know if you buy 3, you can get a discount, so we'll see. But like I said, I would recommend them. Like I said, I've had a good experience so far. The clothes look really nice. And I do think everything fit. You know, I told you the size was the size bigger than what I normally wear. It just must be the way that they do sizing, because everything seemed like it fit really well. So if you guys are interested in checking them out, I have a referral code below. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.